Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, tap on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of an app at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, after that, I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then let go. In order to scale it, hold one of its corners and adjust it. If you wish to turn your app into a bubble, you can either click on Home button or click on the same line at the top and choose this icon of 2 arrows pointing at each other. Then to access your window, click on the bubble. Now to close your window completely, you can hold it and drag it to remove section at the bottom, or just close it in the background. You can also just click on the same line at the top and select this icon of 1 arrow with 2 pointy ends next to the X one. This way you will access your app in full screen view. If you wish to close it thanks to the same line, just click on the X. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!